Hey, welcome to HOWZA channel. In today's tutorial, you will learn how to rename a computer in Windows 11. It's been simple, pretty simple in Windows, but the latest iteration, Windows 11, made it even simpler. The option to rename the computer has now been added to the main screen of the computer settings in the System tab. Click on a Windows icon on the taskbar. The menu will pop up. Click on Settings. Select System from the left side list. Go to the right side of the window. Click on Rename. A new pop-up will appear. Type the new name for your device. Click on Next. The name of the PC will change after restart. You can choose if you want to restart now or later. Changing your PC's name to something that you can easily recognize ensures that your PC is always identifiable. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you used any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!